beautiful Bombil fish which is available here in Maharashtra in plenty. It's cheap and it's loaded with protein. 99% of its composition is protein, so go for it, guys. Do not purchase expensive fish, but this one, since it's very affordable and very good for your health. How to fry it, it's a bit challenging, so please follow me for this recipe. It's very soft, so that's why you need to handle it with care. I've taken cut bombil in thin slices and washed it. There should be no water inside, so then we can marinate it. Salt, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it a gentle massage and keep it aside until you want to fry it. Our bombil has been marinated for half an hour. Some water is released, so please remove the excess water. The fry pan, I'm adding rice bran oil for our bombil, so let it heat. In this time we are gonna prepare the rava and rice flour mixture. So I'm taking some rava, that is semolina, and the same amount of rice flour. Now let's dust each bombil into this mixture and put it in the fry pan in very hot oil. So please check, we need extra oil for bombil, so please check that oil should be heated enough before inserting the bombil in the fry pan. Our oil is very hot now. So frying bombil is a challenge for many, since it is a very soft fish and it is melting. So the secret of frying bombil is you should not touch it until it is brown on one side. Then only flip it. Don't use lid and fry it on a high flame. Now is the time to flip our bombil. As you can see, it got ready. You don't need to fry the bombils for very long time, otherwise they will become too dry and deprived of nutrition. Our bombils are ready, guys. Fry it nicely on both the sides. Even extraction is not so easy. So fry the remaining bombils in the same way. Don't over fry them. They need to be soft from inside and crispy from outside.